BlendedByDee, and I am back with another video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for watching this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I elevate my everyday normal makeup routine into a cute, nice, sexy evening makeup look. So I'm going out tonight with my boo and my friends, and I am wanting to up my look a little bit. So I'm just going to show y'all how I do that in under 5 minutes. Alright, so we're just going to jump right into this video. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Make sure you tell a friend to come and join the gang. And let's get into it. So to start elevating my look, I'm going to go ahead and change up my eyeshadow. So I'm just going to go ahead and take my Morphe palette. And I'm just going to go in, if I can get it open. I'm just going to go in with the darkest brown in this palette. And I'm also be going in with the black. And I'm going to kind of create like a nice, cute, smoky eye, but not too smoked out. Like, yeah. So we're just going to do that. So I'm just going to take my fluffy brush here. Dab it in there. Tap, tap, tap. And then I don't take off my lashes because this is usually just to spruce up the look. You know what I'm saying? And my lashes is good to know now. So I'm just going to tap this all around, move it around in circular motions. Like that. Okay. I'm going to do the same for the other eye. Boom. Okay. Now I'm going to take that. I'm gonna just take the same brush and I'm just gonna go right into the black. Just gonna pat it now with the black. Since your face is already done, be absolutely careful because black has a lot of fallout. So you just wanna make sure you tap it on your palette. Get all the fallout off as much as possible. Then you're gonna go in lightly and press right on your lid. This is just going to bring a little bit more darkness to the eye. And you just want to pat nice. You see what I'm saying? Like, it just brings a little bit more definition. So not too much where you want a blacked out smoky eye, but like enough to where you can create a little bit more in depth like that. And just do the same over here. So I'm just gonna take the black and pat it all over my lid. Kind of go in circular motions a little just to blend that out. Okay. Then I'm just going to take a clean brush and I'm just gonna go over those edges like that. Make sure that they're blended. Like that, boom. Took care of the eyes. I'm gonna go back in with that brush that I had and I'm just gonna take it under my eye. You wanna just spruce back up the color under your eye. So like that. And I'm just going to take my INGLOT gel liner that I absolutely love. This is in the color 77. And I'm just going to take that on my pointed brush. I don't know if I can see that. And I'm just going to get a little dot it. And when I tell y'all this gel liner lasts for freaking forever, like lasts forever. And then I'm just going to take it and line under my eye. Okay. Just like that. So I'm just using my Essence Lash Mascara. And I'm just going to pull my bottom lashes out. Like that. My powder puff in my Maybelline. And I can get it open. Just gonna tap, 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 tap. Dab any place that's a little bit too shiny. Take some of that shine down just a little. Because in the nighttime, you like a little bit more matted look rather than a more dewy look. So I'm just going to... Now I'm gonna go in with a darker blush. So usually in the daytime, I go in with my e.l.f. blush, but in the nighttime, I'm gonna go in with my Essence or Revolution palette. And I'm just gonna go in with these two colors right here. I don't know if they have names. But these two colors, y'all. So I'm gonna take these two colors. I'm just gonna pat them up on my cheeks. So I usually kind of go a little bit more reddish in the nighttime, only because I feel like with darker makeup, it complements it a little more rather than the pinker colors. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just gonna take my blush that I had used for my powder, my all over powder, and I'm just gonna go on top of that just to calm it down just a little. Spray, and I'm just going to kind of press all that in really quick. So again, I'm just gonna take I'm gonna spray, take my big fluffy brush that I have my powder on, and I'm just going to dab that spray in. This helps press the makeup into the skin so it can absorb it and take all this color and look all beautiful. I'm just pressing that in. Okay, Makeup Revolution spray, and I'm just going, this is the 16-hour long matte spray, and I'm just going to spray that right on top just to set all this in. I'm going to do my lip. So I'm just taking a rag. You can take a beauty washcloth or a beauty wipe, whatever you want to call it. I'm just going to take that so I can just take out this lip. So I'm going to do a reddish purplish lip. I'm just gonna take off the. So this is going to be the Forever Matte by Kisses lipstick, and then I'm also taking the NYX Espresso Professional Lip Pencil. That. Just gonna take that red and a high and a header. Just like that. You're gonna bleed them together. Alright. We go over that brown. White and go around it. Boom. That's it. And then, if you just want to be extra like me, just in case, go around it with the powder puff after you clean it up. Boom, boom, boom. This is how I elevated my daytime look to my nighttime look. I hope you ladies enjoyed this look. Please try it out. Let me know how it was and how it came out for you in the comments. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe. Make sure you tell a friend to come and join the gang. And I will see you ladies in my next video.